everything. I thought it was a little race card.
Read the note.
You can't do that.
Read the note.
For reals?
It's yours.
Sure is.
No, this isn't funny.
I told you it was bigger than a bread box, honey.